So, g'day people, how you going? See that animal over there? We're going to have a look at it now. So, when you are travelling in any country, you have to be careful of the wildlife. Most wildlife is actually pretty small, except for in Africa. In North America, you have the moose, which apparently can actually do a lot of damage to your car. Is that the moose? Something like that. And large deer, also bears, elephants can destroy cars, so you have to be careful of them. But in Australia, we don't really have anything that big to worry about. Kangaroos, yeah, they can do some damage, but they can't destroy cars. But here, we have a wombat. Now, a wombat is actually a grazing animal. It actually eats grass. As you can see, he has these two incisors. These actually nip grass off, and it actually has molars inside. And this animal is actually closely, or probably related, not probably, it actually is related to the koala. It's its closest relative. And I think they're actually separated by about, I can't remember, probably about 15 million years. Here we have the claws. These are actually used for digging, the back claws. And as you can see by the testicles, this is a male. This poor animal was actually hit by a car. As you can see, we have a dirt track. So, and I've been here for a while, and cars actually like to go really fast in here. A lot of them are actually tradespeople and work vehicles, but they wouldn't have actually killed this animal because they usually come during the daytime. These animals are nocturnal, so they only come out at night time to feed. And this poor animal's actually been hit by a car, as you can see by the wounds here. And as there is the flies are just starting to come to it, I don't see any evidence of maggots. I'd say this animal was probably killed last night. I wouldn't be surprised. So, when you come to Australia, be careful of the wildlife. Also, just any country. You go to the United States, you go to Canada, you go to Europe. It doesn't matter. See, we have this waterworks. This is actually our drinking water. I've put this on before. And as you can see, there's lots of grasses, lots of habitat. And I'll pause for a minute. So as you see, the car's going pretty fast for a dirt road. The problem with these dirt roads is that if you go too fast and you go around a corner, you could actually smash into another car. So that's why you should be careful of where you're driving. Not only that, you can actually hit other vehicles and kill yourself and whoever else is in the car, whoever is in the other car. So don't be stupid. If you actually have a problem, well, deal with it, because everyone else has to. Don't take it out on others, especially animals. Why would you want to hurt an animal? And this has actually been spray painted, as you can see. That means someone who actually rescues wildlife. So we have people that rescue injured wildlife, actually put these X marks on their bodies so they can, when someone else comes that actually rescues animals, they see the X and they know someone's been here and looked at the animal. So, poor thing, I feel sorry for it. And please be careful, people, but have an awesome time with your life, because you only get one. Oh, please like and subscribe and have an awesome day. Bye.